What's going on, everybody? My name is Seth and you're watching 252 Squad, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to transform your car for less than $200 in less than 20 minutes. So without further ado, let's get started. So if you're a car enthusiast like me, you know you always want to do more things to your vehicle. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to cheaply and effectively make your vehicle look completely different, especially at nighttime. And that way is by lighting. Most vehicles, newer or older, end up coming with some yellowish looking headlights. They say they're white lights, but most of the time they're yellowish and really just doesn't look that good. So I'm going to be showing you today how to fix that issue of lighting. And it's going to be quick, simple, and cheap. I think I spent a total of like $150 or $160. I'll have a parts list down in the description down below. I have all the parts that I use in case you have a 9th gen Accord like mine and you want to change it the same way I did. But without further ado, let me pull it inside and let's get started. So just before I actually get in and start changing, just want to show you a little quick before. As you can see, orange flashing light, yellowish high beam, or low beam, I mean. In fact, this one's actually out. That's the main reason we're really changing them here, besides the aesthetics of it. And of course, orange flasher here. Coming around to the back side here, you can see kind of a whitish color to the rear turn signals, but really not even that bright, as you can see right here. So let's get inside and let's change that. So this here is actually what we have to change it. These are new high beam / daytime running lights. These are new low beams, and these are new turn signals. Have a matching set to go in the rear as well, but I'm not gonna show them just because. But let me get these unboxed and show you what they look like. So as you can see, these are really nice. These are what I spent majority of the money on. Well, not really, they were on sale, but really nice high beams, like 28,000 lumens. Then I got the low beams here. These are Oxidos. These are also supposed to be really nice, really good reviews on them. And these are kind of a strobe clear flasher. Don't really know how I'm gonna like these, but we're gonna put them in and see. Got 4 of them to go ahead and go in. But without further ado, let's get to putting them in the car. So as you can see, that is an absolutely massive difference. Just coming back here and looking at it. That looks so sick with the high brightness of the turn signals and tail lights. So it does kind of do the hyper flash when the turn signal's on, but I actually don't mind that too much. I think it looks kind of cool and definitely alerts the other traffic that you are turning. So definitely gonna leave it like that. You can put resistors in there if you actually don't like that. I think they're called load resistors, I think is the actual term for them, load resistors. But I'm gonna leave it like this. Just pulled the high beam / daytime running light out of the driver's side over there. I don't know how you can see, but it is pretty crusty looking on the inside. I don't know why it looks like a milkshake in there. It's pretty rough, but let's get back to it. So as you can see, it is much more aggressive than it was before. I'm actually gonna pull it outside, that way you can see it a little bit better outside, give it more of a fair chance for the old lighting setup versus this lighting setup. But I can tell you, I already like this a lot. Front end hyper flashes too, rear end also hyper flashes, but kind of like it, don't really bother me too much. So let's move it outside and let's get to showing you what it looks like outside. Kind of crazy looking, you can kind of see it on camera, but being out here in the sunlight, on camera, you can see the pulsation of the LEDs. Definitely doesn't look like that in real life. It's just a solid beam, trust me. But It's kind of funny because it looks that fast on camera. So guys, that's pretty much it. I'd say definitely well worth the mod. As you can see, the lights are very bright, even out here in pretty clear daylight right now. It's pretty 5 o'clock and it's pretty light outside, but it looks really, really good with the lights on. Definitely makes the car look a little bit newer, even though it is a 2016. It's starting to get a little dated. And it makes it look a lot better than what the yellowish headlights did beforehand. And it's definitely worth the money. Like I said, I think I spent like $150, $160 all total for the lighting, and then probably about 15 to 20 minutes of my day just spent putting them in, and that's with recording and all that stuff in the meantime and talking to buddies. So really not a bad thing for what you want to do to your vehicle. Definitely helps improve the look, modernizes it a little bit, also helps you see a little bit better at night if that's an excuse that you want to go with so you can get them. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed. I thank you for watching this video and sticking all the way through with me. If you did enjoy it, leave a like and a subscribe. Hope you'll have a great rest of y'all's day. Peace out.